Okay, Dr. Hubner, I am here at Natural Transplants with Jeff, and Jeff is a little more than a year from his procedure, and I'm going to put his side-by-sides there because it's really cool to see the difference. And, I just wanted to ask you, Jeff, first of all, thank you for sharing your story, and I'm sure this is going to help someone in their research in terms of relating to you and your hair type. Tell us about the process and tell us what people have been saying about your hair.
Well, it's a noticeable improvement. I don't really know what to say about the process.
Mm-hmm.
It was,
do you remember the surgery day?
For the most part, painless.
Okay.
The only thing that was a little bit uncomfortable was more the stitches than the actual incisions.
Right.
But then as soon as the stitches came out, that was gone too.
Right. And most of the time, the top area is kind of numb for a couple of weeks, which is kind of a good thing, or it doesn't really hurt anyway.
I didn't
get much of that.
Remember any numbness.
Perfect. Now, have people been noticing? Has anybody noticed that you look different now than you did a year ago?
Oh, yeah, everybody notices it. They don't know exactly what it is. It takes them a few minutes, and I usually have to tell them. But
yeah, cool. And it comes in slowly and gradually, so people kind of get used to it, and then they say, "Oh, you look like you look younger. You've been working out, you've been taking care of yourself," but they can't put together that it's your hair. Awesome. Any issues with the scar in the back or how you have to style your hair?
No.
Okay. Cool.
I style it the same way I used to when I had lots of hair.
Okay. And you're actually here today to get some more hair, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to focus more on the crown today and then maybe readjusting your hairline, so we'll look at that.
Yes.
Are you happy you did it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Would you do it again?
I am doing it again.
There we go.
And we'll probably do it again.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for sharing your story, Jeff. Let me have you model your hair a little bit. Maybe I can see you from the front. Maybe you could just put your chin down a little bit. And I'm gonna and just hold it there for just a second. I'm gonna put some side by sides there. Look at that difference. That is huge. Awesome. And then I'm gonna come around to the side here. I'm gonna flip you around so you can see that side profile. Put that side by side. Wow. And then I'm gonna turn the other way, Jeff, real quick. It's just cool to have the live comparisons here. So pretty powerful stuff. Awesome. All right. Well, thanks a lot, Jeff. And I can't wait to see what this second surgery does for you.
Yeah, me either.
Awesome. Thank you. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.